Hello everyone, today I will be trading alone as I had a short break. I've decided to trade straight from my car on my MacBook. I suggest you subscribe to our Telegram channel, the link to which can be found in the description. Information on how to receive signals is right here. Let's begin our trading. Now I will trade in 30-second sessions. I definitely recommend this strategy for you to use. Let's set it to 30 seconds. We will open the first deal at $100 and increase accordingly. Time is running out, triple. A trade for an increase is in progress. In the meantime, I would like to talk about our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the description. You can also trade and earn money alongside the red. The green one is a bit under the weather today, so it won't be trading. We have 3, 2, 1, and the deal is positive. Great. The deal is going positive. Now we are changing our currency pair and making a trade here for a decrease at $100, triple the down trade. Here our chart is going down. So let's continue the downward trend. Not bad, pretty good. The deal is going up, so let's trade the next currency pair. The trend is downward. Having a triple trade down with 20 seconds, 30 seconds, $100. I'm trading right in the car. If you want to learn how to trade, message me on the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, we are in the positive. Let's move on to the next currency pair. Here we are in the middle of the situation, but we will open a trade for a decrease, a triple trade down, because we are now going down. The whole situation is also here. It's been accumulating. We are going down. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, friends, the deal is going great on our balance sheet, so all our deals are going down. Subscribe to our Telegram channel. You will find the link in the description.